The voice that is heard is often louder than the voice that speaks. The way we communicate with others and with yourselves ultimately determines the quality of your lives. Speak your mind even if your voice shakes. Your voice is your fingerprint. It tells people who you are and where you are from. In the end, we will remember not the words of your enemies, but the silence of your friend. Your voice can change the world. The most courageous act is the still to think for yourself. A bird does not sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song. The voice of the sea speaks to the soul. Voice is not just the sound that comes from your thought, but the feelings that comes from your words. A voice cannot carry the tongue and the lips that gave it wings alone must it seek the ether. Rise your words, not voice. It rains that grows flowers, not thunder.